This is Yasin live with the module 3. Again, I guess we have two videos from for module 3. We have two assignments from module 3 as well. So let me just, this is the free course that we are currently launching, and we will be going forward and discussing the module 3 again, in which we discuss how we can go about Amazon and how we are going to optimize a listing today. We're gonna try and see how we can optimize a listing. I will just need, I guess, a minute or two just to check in if everything is working, and if some member from the live stream is able to, confirm in the comments if everything is all good and working. We'll move forward with this. Assalamu alaikum, Wasim bhai. Okay, yeah, you're the first one on everything, mashallah. Okay, so this video will be a lot shorter because this is stream for March 7th, right? Yeah, this is March 7th, this is Thursday, this is 3 p.m. and walaikum assalam everyone. We will be discussing the module number 3. Module number 3 is a bit different because I already have recorded the video. Actually, it was a video from 2 years ago, and up until now, I don't see a reason to record it again. It's a 1 hour video. You will be able to take a look at it. I will be explaining the assignment today, and then you will be able to take a look at the video. It's already uploaded to the portal. The assignment has been uploaded to the portal as well. So all I will be doing is that I will be giving you an additional assignment. That's the assignment 2 for the model number 3. Assignment 1 and 2 are linked so that you will have up until next week to complete both assignments. Walaikum assalam everyone. So nice to see you guys. And yep, okay. Just to double check my voice and quality and video quality is all okay. Just double check that for me, and then I will be moving forward to the assignment. Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you so much for confirming that. I will be two assignments from module 3. Yes, exactly. I will explain it on the portal as well. So let me share my screen and then we'll move forward. Okay. Okay. You should be able to see my screen now. Okay. So now, this was the model number 2, Google Sheets advanced course with an assignment. Then again, it's very time taking for the it's very time taking for us to check the assignments. I have to give some comments on each one, but please bear with me on that. Model number 3, we have last class that was on the Amazon business model. What you have to do is you have to do the module number 3, assignment number 1. It takes time. Then you have module number 3.2, which is Amazon listing optimization like never before. This is the current today's video that we are currently doing right now, but it will have a workshop. So this video will be just be an explanation of it, and then you will be able to take a look at the workshop without this. Okay. So for example, this is going to be today's video. You can't see it yet. The settings are not configured yet. This will be the video that already is live, and you're going to watch it and then attempt the assignment number 2. Assignment number 2 is basically as we had the assignment number 1 from module number 3. That was basically you have to fill out the scorecard that we can figure for you in Excel Google Sheets. You have to fill it out for either of them. Okay, so you have to do one of them. That's it. I just wanted to confirm that because a lot of some team members were saying you have to do all of them. So Yunesh, I guess I will add something here that you only have to select one of them and then just implement this scorecard for that niche. If you want to practice, you can do more of them, of course. I will cater to your comment, Miss Kiran. And then what you have to do for the assignment number, once again, okay. Assignment number 2 of the module number 3, sorry, is that you have to optimize the listing and you have to optimize your title, you have to optimize the bullet points. So what you have to do is you have to um, go into one of these listings, let's say this one, and then what you have to do is you have to say, okay, let's assume this is your client, okay? Let's assume this guy is your client. Open the listing, and you already have this listing, in there. For example, ITSRG has around, in title you have around, like 12961, and you have some above that. You can maybe take this one because this does not have the most optimized title. So let's assume this one is your client GLS land. This one is ASIN. So assume this is your client and optimize its listing as per the listing optimization workshop. So this is what you have to do. You have to select one of them. Try to select one which does not have the best ranking juice. The video that I have shared is done on the data type tool. However, as I cannot share the data type tool, it's very expensive for all the team members, all the course members. You can use the Google Sheets that we have shared, make a copy of it, work in it. And once for example, if you want to work on that, you can optimize in this tool, listing builder. Once you, let's say, if I use this as an example, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to come here and I'm going to say, okay, so edit this title. I just pasted some keywords, so check. So once you do, then you will be able to see that your ranking juice will be edited. It takes some time. It takes, yeah, so now it's done. See, now you have a ranking juice. So now you have to play with the keywords. For example, if I was to add this arched mirror just straight up into this, because I have enough space, I still have 200 length, up until 200 length. So the keyword is gonna have, so Arch mirror is now green and it's saying exact match now, right? And the ranking juice went up from 7192 to 7485. You have to optimize it as per your video in the workshop. The workshop is a 40-minute video, and up until now, I have not seen a more advanced, more detailed video, and I have got good feedback. It's been live for 2 years, and all of my team members are also trained on that. That is why this is going to be, you're going to use that video. And if you have to optimize title, you have to optimize bullet points. Just go to that listing, this guy, and copy it, whatever it is, right? And then you have to roots. You can also set the, sorry, this is not roots, this is actually 10 bullet points. You can optimize 10 bullet points, but only 5 of them go live. You can use these 5 for keywords. The video does not mention that, but you can use them. Can we use synonym for specific keywords? If you use synonyms, that is good for the customer, but not for the algorithm. Algorithm give it some, let's say, for example, if you say body mirrors for bedroom and you say body mirror for sleeping room, that doesn't really make sense, right? Like the algorithm is gonna prefer the seller who is using body mirrors for bedroom instead of body mirrors for sleeping room, I guess. Okay, that is the answer to the forecast server. Okay, then you have description, they have search terms, you have subject matter, and then you have other things such as image tags, image names. You have to do that, and all the description, all the instructions are in the other video as well, so you can use that. And I'm going to give a link to that video in the description of this video as well. But the way you should be accessing it is that the best way, actually, the more organized way, is that this is the current video that I'm recording right now. It's going to be in this one, okay? And then you have a workshop for 3.2 that is going to be the complete workshop. You have to watch the video, and then you have to attempt assignment number two. Assignment number two, you have complete instructions. What you have to do, you have to get one listing, as I showed you in this video, and then you have to get this client ready, and you have to optimize title, bullet points, description, images, alt text, and a keyword explanation. Format should be easy. Assignment sheet is already linked. Submission form is the same thing. And then you also have to, anybody who doesn't submit the assignment will get 0 marks. It's 7 days after this video. And that's pretty much it. It's already published. I want to publish it before I record this video. That's one. Now we're gonna have a discussion on the marks. Let me see if I can do that. Okay. I wanted to explain the marks as well so that you guys have a good idea on what is happening with the marks. Okay, so let me share my screen again. So this is the marks that you assigned for assignment number two. Only these have been checked up until now. We've given some importance to the ones who have applied for internships because we wanted to base that internship on these marks. So this is your individual marks out of 10. So you basically scored 6 marks out of 10. That is 60%. But group 3 as an average has scored, see, the average for group 3 is the same thing, right? It's 5.7. So the group marks are 5.7 right now. And the importance that we have given as a 70% weightage is given to individual marks and 30% the group marks. And ultimately, you have scored 59% in the module number two. Same thing, for example, for group number two, I think we only have one assignment checked. And so as we check those more assignments, you'll have more team members come, more course members come here, and then you will have your final percentage for group number two. Up until now, group number eight is leading because I think we've only checked one assignment from group number eight. It's random as you guys submitted, but it's pretty random on which assignments are checked. So you have the group 8 is leading right now with Mr. Wasim having the best assignment so far. Yes, that's pretty much it. I will just uh, I will just wait for people to have any questions, and we will be summarizing this video. Up until now, what I've done is I've explained your module number two. I've given you added the link for the workshop that you have to watch. It's already recorded, and if you have any questions, you can ask them in the Google form. Let me just open the Google form as well. So let me see if anybody has asked any questions. I'm in the main WhatsApp group and add me in the group, inshallah. If you had added your details as well, then I would have added in the Discord. But what I will do is I will add a Discord link in the WhatsApp group so that you can join from over there. Whoever asked this question. Module 3 assignments, every assignment will have group marks. So you submit your individual assignments, that makes 70% of your marks, and 30% of it is group. Because if you work in any big company, you want to make sure that you as a company win in other companies as well. So I'm trying to create some sort of that team culture that people learn how to collaborate, people learn how to schedule a meeting, people learn how to communicate with other team members, people learn how to collaborate in terms of Google Sheets, that they learn that collaboration, and that is currently very missing in people who are coming to us and working for us. So as a whole, Pakistani ecosystem does not have the soft skills. I'm trying to build some of that, but I can only be so as much do as much as you guys care about these things. But of course, I'm trying my best, and hopefully, we will be having a good um, outcome out of this. Anybody else has any questions right now? Anybody else has any suggestions? I will wait for 2 minutes and then I will just finish this video. This is going to be a very short video because I already have the workshop uploaded. Anybody else has any suggestions, questions, or anything? I think we are at 13:40 minutes, and we're gonna cap it at 15. How can you enroll now? It looks amazing. Hafiz Munir Ahmed. Okay. So the timeline on assignment is 7 days. I want to make it 7 days because I'm trying that these videos can also, work for somebody who's enrolling in this 6 months from now. So even though when I will not be using like working on this course myself, I want people to be benefiting from it. So like they have 7 days to do that. Tosif, when will you finalize internship? I'm not sure HR is working on it, but I believe the interns have been finalized. I'm not sure if who is selected or not. How can you enroll now? I believe the enrollment is finished now. We are not taking any more enrollments, and you can enroll as a um, self learner, but the groups and everything are final now. We're not taking any more applicants. As you know, I'm sorry for not being able to take it, but I want to make sure that the experience for all the group members is optimal as well. As you know, we just Amazon thing. Okay, I believe you said that you're new at Amazon thing. What do you suggest for the fundamentals of the industry, and what should be idealized at this point? Um, Fundamentals of this industry. So, as I have explained in the very first, in the model number three, actually, in the model number 3.1, what I've explained the overall what exactly is happening and what do you have to understand in order to work on this industry, and you learn every day. So, like, it's not like you know all of it and now you don't need to do anything. It is that you learn every day. I'm still learning, so you just learn what is needed to work on things. Like, I need to do this and this, right? That is what I'm teaching in this course, because I want to build a good workforce. I want to build people who are able to implement and get things done for big companies, right? And that is why I'm teaching this course free of cost. And then when you are able to get these things done, then you'll be able to learn new things every day. And that is why this course is hard, because I want you to struggle and I want you to figure out things, right? For example, the as a rule, anybody who did not, let me just see if I can show you some of the comments that I've done. I'm not, I okay. So let me share my screen again, I guess. Right. So I guess this is some of the marks which are checked right now. So anybody who did not improve anything is at 4. If all you did is just two tabs and made two pivot tables to solve the question, you're not getting even half marks. Okay, you have to go above and beyond, and that is why what I didn't teach, like, that is what I did not teach in the video. If you do just what I tell you, uh, if you do just what I tell you, then you will not be able to um, do anything in any company. So that is why, if you don't improve anything, you will not be able to get good marks. So, for example, the best one so far, Wasim, is because his assignment does not look like anything I gave him. Like, all of the assignment is like done by him, not what I did in the video, right? That's what I want from you guys as well. That you guys learn that doing what is required is not enough, is not even okay. Doing what is required and then going above and beyond is the bare minimum that you have to do if you want to be serious in your life. And that is what you have to do if you have to be in the 1% of any industry, not just Amazon. So yeah, learn what is being taught, implement it, go above and beyond in everything you do, and that's the key, and you learn every day. Anybody else who has any questions? And okay, you apply internship. I applied and selected. Yes, I guess was Mr. Wasim has been selected for the internship. Congratulations for you. You will be getting special attention, I guess, and then you will be taught these things at a much better pace. When will the rest of assignment 2 be checked? Hopefully soon. Um, Actually, I have an MBA on the weekends. That is why I'm not very active on the weekends as well, and I work in the company overall in the week. So that is why hopefully on the weekend I'll check all the assignments, because I don't have class on this weekend. And in Ramadan, I'm quite free actually. So in the daytime, I will be working. That is why I wanted to get this internship, because I want to teach all the interns. For example, this whole course is going to in the internship that we're going to launch, and we also have in-house internships in Lahore, Pakistan. So if you come to in-house internships, all of this course is done in just 1 week. That's it. All of this course will be done in just 1 week. This is like a month is too much for it. It's maximum of a week. That's it. Finalize. I believe it is done. I don't know. Go Wasim, go. Yes, Wasim Bhai is going great. Any live link where we can see listing score after optimization, you can see it. You will be able to see it over here, right? See, you can check it, and you can also check the battle of titles. You can come in, and you can see that you already improved by just adding one keyword. You went from 7192 to 7485. So you will be able to see it in this sheet. You can come into this, open it up, make a copy out of it, because you cannot edit it. I can edit it, of course. Make a copy and then work on that sheet. Okay, I hope that answers the question. Anybody else has any questions? And we will be finishing off this video soon. Okay, okay, I guess all good. And yeah, I'll just wait for 30 more seconds because if you guys make any comments, I get it after 30 seconds, generally speaking. So anything that you have to ask me now. And then, of course, you can ask in the Google form as well. The Google form is already available as the first message in the group enrollment. How different is Google SEO as compared to Amazon Score? Google SEO is a lot different. The approach is not different, but it is a lot different. So, like, I'm sorry, give me one second. Okay. So Google SEO is a lot different. So yeah, it's different. It's just a lot different, because it is like it's a lot of content. This is e-commerce copy. I have been working in the last 4 years. I really appreciate the compliment, Mr. Amar. Thank you so much. Apart from improved assignments number two, what's the criteria to qualify for internship? Assignment number two is the only criteria for internship, and then of course, I believe HR has some checks and balances that they have to say in terms of availability, if the person is able to work on things, if the person is available to work in the times that we work 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. in the night. So like I believe the internship is 6 hours a day at least, so you have to work 6 hours between that time frame. So yeah, I believe there are some checks and balances, but the HR would be the right person to get in touch with. But I believe if Mr. Wasim is saying he's selected, then I believe it is finalized already. We have in-house internships, which is going to start very soon. We're gonna have applicants for that. We have selected, I believe, the online interns, and we're gonna have the in-house interns as well. And then we want to see which ones perform better and scale that. Okay. Anybody else has any questions? Okay. So I will be taking off now. Thank you so much, guys, for joining the live, and I wish you guys the best of luck. Okay. Anybody else has any questions? I believe no. About timeline. I don't know what timeline you're talking about, but as of right now, we are recording this on Thursday, March of 7th. Okay. You have 7 days for this assignment, and this is an extension of the assignment number one for module three. So you can submit both assignments. Um, you can submit both assignments by Wednesday, March. Let me check. That would be March 13th. So you have 7 days more, for to submit both assignments in module number three. You have two assignments for module number three, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Anybody else has anything? And yeah, hopefully this will help people learn Amazon to the extent that people that companies really need, and not to the extent where people are Amazon experts but not really even a beginner. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I will be taking off now, and I wish you guys the best of luck for the module number three. If you guys have any questions, you can submit in the form, or you can check in with your group members. And I wish you the best of luck. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.